Let me give you my honest take on SEPTIFIX. If you're tired of septic odors, standing water, surprise backups, or spending hundreds every year on pumping, this tiny monthly tablet might feel like a miracle. Thousands of homeowners across the US say the same thing. I wish I knew about this sooner. Because when your septic tank misbehaves, you smell it, you see it, and you pay for it. John from California had unbearable smells around his tank. Standing water. Embarrassed to host anyone, he dropped 3 SEPTIFIX tabs as recommended, and within days, the odors disappeared. Today he uses 1 tablet a month and hasn't had issues since. Kathy was told her tank was full of solids and clogs, and she needed expensive treatments. She switched to SEPTIFIX, and months later, the septic company said, "Your tank doesn't even need pumping." SEPTIFIX is a monthly septic tank treatment tablet. It's solid, safe, and releases oxygen, helping your tank break down waste faster and reducing odors naturally. Once flushed, the tablet dissolves slowly, releasing oxygen and neutralizing the tank's water. This creates an ideal environment for healthy bacteria that break down sludge, oils, grease, and residues. Unlike many treatments, SEPTIFIX contains over 10 billion active bacteria strains per gram and releases up to 10 liters of oxygen per tablet, helping your tank stay clean for months. Most homeowners notice odor reduction within 3 to 5 days. Over time, SEPTIFIX helps break down layers of sludge, reduce clogs, and support smoother drainage. The oxygen-rich environment encourages aerobic bacteria, the good kind, while reducing anaerobic bacteria associated with unpleasant smells and poor breakdown of waste. Many users report longer gaps between pumpings, sometimes dramatically longer, which can mean saving hundreds of dollars every year. SEPTIFIX wasn't created overnight. It took 3 years, 14 scientists, and over $1.5 million in research to perfect this oxygen-releasing formula. More than 21,000 US homeowners now use SEPTIFIX every month, and 87% of them reorder. Why? Because it helps their septic systems run smoothly. SEPTIFIX is for anyone with a septic system who wants fewer odors, fewer surprises, and fewer expensive pumpings. It's not a magic wand, just a smart, simple monthly habit. SEPTIFIX comes in 6-, 12-, and 18-month packages, and you're covered with a 60-day guarantee, so you can try it with confidence. If you're ready to support a cleaner, healthier septic system and save money long-term, click the official link in the description and choose the package that works best for you. SEPTIFIX makes monthly septic care incredibly easy.